Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this question for the week, this topic discussion. What are some of the environmental, social, and economic impacts of reintroducing the wolves to Yellowstone? So I'm just going to go down the line, each one. So environmental. The reintroduction of the wolves into Yellowstone National Park in 1995 affected the landscape dramatically by initially affecting the elk population. The trophic cascading effect that occurs after the elk are hunted is that the elk population can no longer consume those large amounts of aspen trees that grow each year. So this results in large portions of these aspen trees now being consumed by the beaver population. So this population is very small before the wolves were introduced. There was only one species before, but after the wolves have hunted the elk, which allowed the aspen trees to grow over years and years and years, the beaver population is now thriving. It went from one species now up to 9 different types of species due to the overabundance of those aspen trees. So when it comes to the social aspect of the impact of the wolves, elk populations are able to be more resilient to the hunting process. So as more elk are being hunted by the wolves, the stronger elks will survive through their fitness, having the stronger ones always generally survive through probability. As better fitness animals survive, they reproduce with other high fitness animals to make a more diverse and adaptable species. So this is crucial to preserving the ecosystem because having these large landscapes of connected ecosystems causes for a stronger, more definitive future for preserving the planet. We were talking about the mass extinctions where having a more connected ecosystem, a larger one, is better when these impacts occur because then it's not as detrimental to the whole, or I guess the system as a whole. And then the last part, when it comes down to the economic side of the impact of the wolves, I pulled up a article where it has the University of Montana where they conducted a regional economic impact analysis and estimated that more than $35 million are generated through wolf center tourism in the park surrounding gateway communities each year. And that number is obviously always growing. So these communities rely on this business to survive throughout the year. And it not only distributes cash to just Yellowstone National Park, but because it's kind of around a bunch of different states, it distributes this cash flow to Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. So a bunch of different areas. So it's actually pretty effective to helping all those states. So that's what I have for this week, guys. If you have anything to say, please leave it in the comments, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much.